Okay guys, so I got this Otterbox Vue Plus for the iPhone 14 and 13. So let's take my phone out. Careful. This one's a little struggle, but you got it. There you go. Put the phone to the side and just pop it out. Throw that over there, and here's the case. There you go. It's a simple clear case with the MagSafe. Feels good. Let's pop it in. There you go. Alright, well that's a simple case. This case was around $49 to around $50 at Walmart. Has a nice camera to bump to protect the lenses. And it still works with your MagSafe or your old lightning cable. And that's it. That's all you need to know. Well, thanks for watching. Why don't you click that subscribe button, hit the like button, and share this video. Peace.